behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
For real this time, welcome to match 42. Already all three Red Alliance robots have moved off the start line. It appears that at least two have so far for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance sees both Roboteers and Metal Cow looking to cycle Coral onto L4. Continuing their work on this field, Roboteers with their ground intake working to build it up. 42-13, that's Metal Cow Robotics. They're dropping off a Coral on L2 for the Red Alliance. That's 3 points right there. Roboteers human player building up a stash, launching Coral out onto the field and sending them almost right to the Roboteers robot, able to slam them off of the human player station, the Coral station, and roll them on out for a shorter cycle time. That third Red Alliance member, 4156 Ninjaneers, moving over to the Blue Alliance side of the field to play some defense, lined up by one of the Coral stations to try and slow this alliance down. 2704 Roaring Robotics, they're queued up right by the reef, sending up their manipulator on their elevator, dropping off a Coral on L4 successfully. That's 5 points to the Blue Alliance. Roaring Robotics now making their way around Ninjaneers, looking to get a Coral in their own manipulator to go for it again. 7848 Y Fighters looking to line up their own manipulator, having a bit of trouble getting it in there to get the Coral in from the Coral station, dropping to the floor, but they can try again. Their alliance partner 1208 Me Tool Brigade lined up ready to go for whenever this Coral station opens up. Y Fighters gets the Coral, so Me Tool Brigade comes in to take one for themselves. Me Tool Brigade has their elevator up to about an L3 level, possibly able to send it higher if they desire, but they opt to go for L2 as part of this strategy for this match. 38 seconds to go, 120-49 for that Red Alliance. Metal Cow and Roboteer still working to cycle Coral onto that reef, but Roboteer's working to clear off what appears to be the second to last piece of algae that was on there. Red Alliance already has the Coral ranking point, dropping off Coral on the reef. Build L4 at this point. L3 and L2 reasonably populated themselves. The Alliance now instead going towards the cages, looking to climb. Roboteers lined up with one going into the air. Metal Cow trying to do the same. Y Fighters going up for blue if they can. Each of those robots up would be 12 points if true, as time expires. Alliance looking to take this one there. They get 176 points to the Blue Alliance's 175. Red Alliance getting all 6 ranking points there. Blue Alliance still taking that barge ranking point for their end game score.